Following segment is sponsored by Joyce University of Nursing and Health Sciences. Students are getting a new kind of hands-on experience at Joyce University of Nursing and Health Sciences. Here to tell us all about how they are helping communities in Central America is Daniel. Daniel, thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thank you for having me.
So these opportunities for students sound absolutely amazing. Can you tell us a little more about it?
Yes, so currently we work with partner organizations in Honduras as well as Guatemala, and we take students who are in their final semesters of their nursing program, where they're very hands-on, interactive, and work with those organizations in tandem to provide healthcare services to their respective communities.
So you talked about organizations. What organizations are you partnering with?
Yes, so in Roatan, Honduras, we work with Clinica Esperanza, who has had a long presence there on the island. And then in Guatemala, we work with I Am Hope Guatemala, which is located in Antigua, about an hour and a half west of Guatemala City.
Such an amazing experience for these students. How and when did this all start?
Yes, so we took our first group of students last year in October, and since then we've completed about 9 trips, and we've taken 89 students with us so far. So that's a great amount for such a narrow time span.
So what is the purpose of these experiences? Why do you guys do it? Why do you provide this for students?
Yes, so we started and aim to provide these opportunities because we feel that it's important for students to have opportunities that allow them to be very immersed and provide care for underserved, diverse, resource-limited communities.
And I'm sure it is helping the students just as much as it is helping the people that they are down there working with. You mentioned this a little earlier, but I want to touch on it again because it's pretty amazing. How many trips have actually been completed this year?
This year, 8. In total. Yep.
That is so amazing. When you think about all the traveling, all the students going places, I imagine that the students just love this. What are the students saying about this experience?
Yeah, so they do love it. It is a challenge, but they work together through those challenges. So it's about a group of 10 students per trip, and they get comfortable working as a team, working through complex situations together, being very involved. And overall, it allows them to take what they've learned in their past semesters of their nursing curriculum and put that together and become independent critical thinkers.
Who, really putting it to the test.
Yes, right, which is exactly what we want to see in a new nurse, right? The nurses that we want to take care of us or our family members, we want them to be robust individuals who can work through difficult situations. There
you go. So really quick, talk to us about Joyce University and what education you offer.
Yes, so Joyce University, one of the largest nursing schools in Utah. We offer a variety of programs. So with the nursing pre-licensure programs, you can have your be in and out the door within 18 months. For those individuals who already have RN licensure, we do have bachelor's and master's programs if you want to advance your career further, as well as we have an occupational therapy assisting program, as well as a coming up new respiratory therapy program.
Perfect. Well, Daniel, thank you so much for coming in today. And you have seen the website flash on your screen throughout this interview. Again, thank you so much for talking to us today.
Thank you for having me.